Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut templates. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut apps on my phone, and I'm going to just click on the templates tab. And in here, you'll see there are lots of templates that you can freely use on the CapCut. Here, there are also different categories in the template, so you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this mini form template. So the templates will show you how many videos or photos that you need to add. No, this one is 5 and this one is 5 1, so that are a lot of options. So I'm going to just use this mini form, click on the use template and add the footage. So I'm going to add 5 footage into here. Okay, or 6 I mean, sorry. Now click on next and you are done. So this will be the result for the template that I chose before. You can also make some adjustments here. You can change the text if you want, but if you're satisfied with the result, just click on export and it will be saved to your gallery. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.